Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our drive along Boulevard de Pointe-Navarre in Gaspé, Quebec. As we make our way through this beautiful region, you'll notice how peaceful and scenic the landscape is. Tall, green hills rise in the distance, and forests stretch out on both sides of the road. The trees, especially in summer and fall, are full of color and life. Wildflowers often bloom along the roadside, adding little bursts of color to the drive. This area is part of the Gaspé Peninsula, a place known for its natural beauty. The air here feels fresh and clean, and there's a quiet calm that surrounds everything. The road gently curves and rises, giving you occasional views of the nearby valleys and glimpses of Gaspé Bay in the distance. As we arrive in Fontenelle, the charm of small-town Quebec is all around. Fontenelle sits near the mouth of the Dartmouth River, where the water sparkles under the sunlight. The nearby hills give the village a quiet, sheltered feeling. It's a place where nature feels close and comforting, and where time seems to slow down. This entire drive is a reminder of how special and peaceful the Gaspé region truly is. The blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a joy to explore. Thank you for coming along for the ride.
watching!